Hi everyone and welcome to Imahland channel. Today I wanna introduce you one of the best anti-aging pomegranate mask. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and minerals that lift the skin and removes wrinkles, which in the end causes rejuvenation of your face. Just use this mask 3 times a week to see its effects on your skin. Watch my entire video to see how this mask is made. Get a pomegranate and slice it into 2 halves. We only need 1 half in our mask. Remove the pomegranate seeds, but don't throw away the peel, because we will use it in the next level. Now pulp the peel of pomegranate completely with a chopper machine and put it away. In this level, pour a glass of water, or you can use rose water, into a stock pot and let it boil. When it's boiled, add the pulp of pomegranate to it. When you see its foam, place it somewhere and let it cool. Until the cooling process, get complete juice the pomegranate seeds. Then strain both, the pomegranate juice and the pomegranate pulp. Push it with the back of spoon to juice it completely. In the end, add a tablespoon of wheat starch to your juice. Put it in low heat and stir it constantly. When your juice gets a bit concentrated, take it from the heat and place it somewhere and let it cool. Your mask is ready now. With a clean brush, use the mask to cover all over your face and let it dry. Then wash your face with mild water. If you liked my video, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Until the next tutorial,